Hello and welcome to Thinkspace Charts. Thinkspace allows you to enjoy a rich, highly interactive analysis experience. With its easy-to-use interface, you can quickly create your own data analysis. This video will explain and give examples of all the charts available on Thinkspace. Let's get started. After logging into your InfoGo application and selecting your data, you can choose a visualization type from the list on the left side of the screen. To access all the different chart options, make sure you scroll down and click the arrows to show submenus. Next, we will walk through each of the chart types one by one. We will start with bar charts. A bar chart represents group data as horizontal rectangular bars, with bar lengths proportional to the values that they represent. It's most commonly used to show comparisons among categories. The y-axis of the chart shows the specific categories being compared, and the x-axis represents discrete values. A column chart is very similar to a bar chart, except that the data is grouped as vertical rectangular bars. A line chart displays information as a series of data points connected by straight line segments. It's a basic type of chart that is commonly used in many fields. Measure points are ordered and joined with straight line segments. A line chart is often used to visualize a trend in data over intervals of time, or a time series, and so the line is often drawn chronologically. An area chart is similar to a line chart. However, the area between the axis and line is commonly filled in and emphasized with colors, textures, or cross-hatchings. Typically, this chart is used to compare two or more quantities. A scatter chart uses Cartesian coordinates to display values for several data sets. The data is displayed as a collection of points, each having the value of one variable determining the position on the x-axis, and the value of the other variable determining the position on the vertical axis. Next, there are four charts available for displaying data in a circle. A pie chart is a circular statistical graphic that is divided into slices to illustrate numerical proportion. In a pie chart, the arc length of each slice is proportional to the quantity it represents. A semi-pie chart is similar to the pie chart, but it limits itself to one half of a circle. A donut chart is related to the pie chart, however its center is a hole which provides a different look. A semi-donut chart is similar to the donut chart, but like the semi-pie chart, it limits itself to one half of a circle. An arc gauge is most useful for showing an aggregation of values in a single column. It displays a fixed numeric value with an indicator depicting progress towards a maximum value. The color of the indicator changes from red to yellow to green as the maximum value is approached. Like the arc gauge, the dial gauge is most useful for visualizing an aggregation of values in a single column. It's also a familiar object given its similarity to those used in automobile dashboards. A bullet gauge can also be used for visualizing an aggregation of values in a single column, but they display information in a more compact and easier to read format than circular gauges. A KPI gauge simply displays the aggregated value in a large and clear font without any other graphic elements. A combo chart displays multiple data series and overlapping chart styles, making it easy to compare values for different columns. This example shows a combination of a column and line chart. Lastly, a calendar chart is a heat map style visualization of time series data. It uses color gradients to show how data varies over a span of time and can be useful for discovering correlations between events and specific days. Thank you for joining us in this video describing the different charts available on Thinkspace. I hope you can join us next time.